Hello everyone, so this is a denim jumpsuit that I purchased for myself, and I'm going to show you the back of it in a second. I'm going to do some blinging, a lot of blinging to this actually, so that's one of the reasons why I'm showing it to you before I do anything to it. The outfit in the back, it's a skinny jumpsuit, and it's kind of hard for me to do it on camera, to stretch it out on camera, but you can see it doesn't have anything at all on it. It's just a plain jumpsuit. And what I like about it is the back of it, which I'm going to flip it around. If you give me 1 second. So this is the back of it. As you can see, it has this little string and it laced through the back. So the back is out of it. And it has like a zipper on the side. The side has a zipper to it. And I'm sorry, it's on a hanger, so it's really hard to imagine what this looks like. But I'll post a picture of the denim outfit of someone in it, not me, but I don't feel like trying it on right now. But I'll post a picture of it where I purchased it. I purchased it on eBay. I really like it, but I don't know, it's something about it that doesn't really fit properly like I want it to, so I'm going to be doing some alterations to it. So I won't be leaving a link. Because of that, I was a little bit unsatisfied with the way that it fit, and because I know how to do alterations, and I like the outfit, I didn't send it back. I decided to go ahead and do alterations to it. The first problem that I had with this outfit was it fit from the waist down. It was perfect. From the waist up, it was too big, so I had to take it in a little bit from the waist up, which I've already done. The second thing that I noticed about it as well when I tried it on is the latches where you lace the string through. It was only 2 on each side, and this part, when I put it on in the waist, it was just bulgy, so I had to take the string that come with it, cut a piece of it off, and actually add another loop on it at the bottom. So this loop and this loop over here, I actually added on myself. That I didn't like. And also the string, when I actually tried it on, it wasn't long enough as I wanted. It was long enough for me to tie it, but it wasn't long enough like I wanted it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the string out, and I'm not going to use the string that came with it. I'm going to be using this black ribbon. I may purchase a navy blue one, I'm not sure, but when I bling this item out, it's going to have black and different colors on it, so it doesn't really matter. But I probably will add this in a little bit of wider ribbon. And I might purchase one that's a little bit wider, because what I want to do is lace it through the back and then wrap it around my waist and tie it in a bow in the front to the side. So that's my goal. So I'm going to have a really, really long ribbon in it. And like I said, I probably get a little bit wider ribbon than that one to add to it. And the bling and everything like that, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to this afterwards. So this is pretty much the before of what it looks like, and I'm going to show you the end and final results at the end of this video.